Hello everyone, my name's Fabian and I'm an arborist community expert for tree stuff, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to soft retrieve your friction saver with throw line, so that way you just don't pull it out and it comes crashing down and you're banging up your life support rings. This stuff is supposed to keep us safe. We don't want to be damaged in unnecessary ways, and then go climb on it later. We want to stay safe. So first what I'm going to do is, I got my throw line out. Some people, they'll throw it up a little bit higher and use it that way, but instead of having to try and sit there and mess with that, what I'll do is I'll just tie the throw line onto the rope with just a simple clove hitch, and then a couple of little half hitches around it to keep it straight. And that way it doesn't just slip right off the rope. So I did 3 right there. That looks good to me. Then now I'll take my retrieval ball, put that around my splice, cinch that down just as so. So now we're gonna pull up our tail end. Now we're gonna see how this throw line, and also too, say you get up here, you're having a hard time getting this to go through. With this throw line, you can kind of manipulate it back and forth until it decides it wants to finally pop through. So here we're gonna, just like that, the throw line's gonna go up and over the crotch that our friction saver was on. And so now, and even if you wanted, you can control it with this throw line as well. So say it gets caught, you can kind of pull this back up and get it unstuck. But pull our friction saver straight down to us, no problem. Nothing was bombed out. Pull our rope back through, take off our retrieval ball, and then we undo our throw line off of our rope. Wait. If you're pulling on this really hard, this knot can get a little tight, but usually you don't really pull on it very hard. So now our rope is out, and just like that, now we can pull our throw line right out of our friction saver, just like that. So like I said, this is just an easy way to not bomb your rings, break them, damage them in any way. That way on your next climb you feel comfortable about putting your life on your gear. So just simple, easy little trick with the throw line. It's super simple.